In this video, we will show you how you can create interactive presentations with Tally. Tally takes audience engagement to a whole new level. Create a presentation peppered with questions to have each participant interact directly with your content live via their mobile devices. Organize your class into teams or as individuals to have learners interact with a variety of question types. The presenter sees real-time responses for meaningful knowledge gap awareness. Try Tally today and know the score. Your participants can see your slides and answer questions using their smart devices or computer to interact directly with your session. This allows you to know what they know in real time and identify knowledge gaps and get feedback. A report providing comprehensive results are available after your session. Up to 100 questions or 100 slides per presentation. Your content will appear in sequential order. Repurpose your existing PowerPoint slides and add questions to turn your traditional presentation into an engaging experience. Tally allows up to 6 question types, including the new slide feature previously discussed, the multiple choice, true or false, select all that apply, poll questions, open-ended question formats, and the new and improved image mapping provide you with an easy way to quiz and review your content. Well, that's our quick overview of Tally. Tally was built as a presentation platform for instructors who will also track results. If you have any additional questions or want a personal run-through, please feel free to contact us. Until the next time, we hope you always find ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.